everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 441 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this S.he Matte Rose Water Spray. And I got this from the website JB & Eves and it was only $3.99. And this was part of the JB & Eves haul that I did recently. So if you want to see that video, I will link it down below. And so this says that it's enhanced with aloe vera and it's paraben free. And I was drawn to this because it's a matte rose water spray. So it's supposed to help with your skin getting oily throughout the day, and that's definitely something that happens to me along like my T-zone. So I love to use matte setting sprays to try and control the oil on my skin throughout the day. And I just love setting sprays. I feel like my skin really needs them to help make my makeup look fresh all day. And sometimes if I'm not even wearing full foundation on my entire face, I'll still go in with a setting spray throughout the day just to refresh my skin, and it really does give that glow and moisture back to my bare skin. And therefore I go through setting sprays pretty quickly, so I'm kind of on the search for a good inexpensive setting spray. So maybe this could be the answer. First, I want to just test out the sprayer. Not bad. Oh, and you can smell that beautiful rose scent, but it smells like a very natural rose. It doesn't smell like fake artificial, even though it might be. Not too sure, but it smells like real roses. It smells very beautiful. But so my makeup is applied. I did a liquid foundation, concealer. I set that with a setting powder, and then I have some blush and bronzer on. And of course mascara and brows. But so I want to set my makeup so that it can stay the way it is right now, so that it's not getting oily and it's not breaking apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the spray. Whoa, this sprayer, when I sprayed it from this far away, it got my entire face in one spray. That was pretty impressive. And now I'm just taking my dampened sponge that I already used to apply my makeup and just dabbing it along my entire face to really set everything and press in that setting spray. Now I'm debating if I should, for full review, go in and spray it one more time. That's a technique that I saw a beauty YouTuber do recently, and I'm like, wow, I've never thought to spray my face twice with setting spray. I've only ever just done it once, but I'm like, that's a really great technique. But no, for this review, I'm just gonna spray it once, but then I'm going to do a wear test. So as the day goes on, I will note in the description box how this wore, if my makeup got oily, if it broke apart. If I wanted to go back in and refresh it again, I can do that, and I will let you know if I had to do that in the description box down below. But so I can smell that hint of rose lingering on my skin, which smells so nice. So I love that my skin has a little perfume right now. So maybe if I'm close to people, they might notice a nice rose scent to my skin. But so as for how this looks on my skin, I feel like it really didn't alter the way my makeup is looking at all. So it is mattifying, and I will say that my skin, it looks matte. My makeup looks matte, but it doesn't look dried out at all. I feel like you can still see like some glow, so I think it looks great. I hope that my skin and my makeup will stay looking like this all day long, but we're gonna find that out. But so right now, I am so happy with the finished look. And for only $3.99, I feel like the effect that I have on my makeup right now is the same as some of those more expensive setting sprays that I've tried out. And setting sprays are a product that I am trying to determine if it's even worth spending high-end price points, because to me it just seems like water with a few extra ingredients that it really shouldn't cost a lot, and I shouldn't really have to spend extra money on a setting spray. But I'm still figuring that out. I would love to know in the comments down below your thoughts on that, and if you really feel like you need to spend a lot of money to get a good setting spray, or if you have some favorite inexpensive setting sprays that I should try out. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.